Hello RCA parents and students. My name is Mr. Jesse Smith and I am the manufacturing and computer science teacher at RCA. I graduated from Rockdale County High School and was part of the magnet program. I attended college at the University of Georgia where I obtained degrees in computer science and also workforce education. This school year, your student will be entering the second year of my manufacturing pathway, which is called Robotics and Automation. In Robotics and Automation, students will be learning about robotics engineering, programming, manufacturing plant layout, automation simulations, and also actuators and end effectors. During the second year of my pathway, it is encouraged that students join our student organization called SkillsUSA. They will receive more information about this once the school year gets up and running. This year, during the fall semester, we will be virtual. The way that virtual will be ran is students will receive their work through It's Learning, and we will meet daily through Microsoft Teams for video conferences. I also have a website at www.rcamanufacturing.com which students will use to supplement It's Learning for additional materials. If you would like to reach out to me with any questions you have or just to make an introduction, you can reach me at my email, which is jessesmith@rockdale.k12.ga.us, and I will reply quickly. I look forward to a great school year and having your student in my class. Thank you.